So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload website on Hostinger. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your account on Hostinger. From here you can see home, you can see your websites, domains, horizons, emails, VPS, dark web monitoring, billing, marketplace, as well as account sharing. So let's go to website. Now in order to upload your own website, you can see you will need to choose your web hosting plan. Now through here you can always refer to the AI that's implanted within Hostinger. But you can see here, why do I need a hosting plan? From here it says to get your website up and running. Web hosting is a service that makes your website available on the internet and will allow people to access your site using a web browser. So from here you can upload, once you choose which deal you want, you can select it through here. And I will just show you some of the other steps you need to take once you set it up. Once you've chosen a web hosting tool, you will need to choose a website upload method. So it's between file transfer protocol, or FTP if you see it like that, or a file manager. So you will need to add some files which will look something like this. Now from there you can see it set up like that, and you can use even some plugins as well. From there you can upload files to your website using the file manager. You can see how it will look, and from there move the website files to the main root directory, and after that import your database and check if the website works once you go back to the hosting and the home page of this. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.